Welcome to our channel again. Boost your health with a spoonful of sunshine. Coconut oil benefits. Get ready to discover the heart-healthy benefits of coconut oil. In this enlightening exploration, we'll uncover how coconut oil can be a valuable ally in supporting your cardiovascular well-being. From its unique composition of medium-chain fatty acids to its potential to raise good cholesterol levels, coconut oil offers a natural and flavorful way to care for your heart. Join us as we explore the exciting ways in which incorporating coconut oil into your diet can contribute to a healthier heart and overall vitality. Let's dive into the world of coconut oil and its positive impact on heart health together. Disclaimer: the information presented in this video is intended for educational and informational purposes only. It is not a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Before making any significant changes to your diet or lifestyle, especially related to heart health and cooking with coconut oil, we recommend consulting with a qualified healthcare provider or nutritionist. Coconut oil for cooking. Swapping out your regular cooking oils for coconut oil could be a game changer. Unlike many other oils, coconut oil is rich in a unique type of saturated fat called medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs. While saturated fats often get a bad rap for their impact on heart health, the MCTs in coconut oil may actually have a more favorable effect on cholesterol levels. Studies suggest that coconut oil can help raise HDL, good cholesterol, while potentially lowering LDL, bad cholesterol. This can translate to better overall cardiovascular function and a reduced risk of heart disease down the line. So next time you're sautéing veggies or baking up a batch of coconut-infused treats, reach for the coconut oil and give your heart a delicious boost. Benefit 2. Coconut oil for balancing blood sugar levels. Studies suggest that the medium-chain fatty acids, MCTs, found in coconut oil may help improve insulin sensitivity and stabilize blood sugar levels. This is great news for those with diabetes or prediabetes, as maintaining healthy blood sugar control is crucial for managing the condition and reducing the risk of complications. The MCTs in coconut oil appear to be metabolized differently than other types of fat, providing a quick source of energy for the body without spiking blood glucose. Benefit 3. Coconut oil for heart health. The medium-chain fatty acids, MCTs, found in coconut oil have been shown to help raise HDL, or good cholesterol levels. This is important because higher HDL levels are associated with a lower risk of heart disease and stroke. The MCTs in coconut oil may also help improve overall cardiovascular function by promoting better blood flow and circulation throughout the body. However, it's important to note that coconut oil is still high in saturated fat, which can potentially raise LDL, or bad cholesterol, if consumed in excess. So while coconut oil may offer some heart-healthy perks, moderation is key. As part of an overall balanced diet, coconut oil can be a beneficial addition, but it shouldn't be viewed as a cure-all for heart disease. As with any oil or fat, it's best to enjoy coconut oil in moderation as part of a nutritious, heart-healthy lifestyle. Benefit 4. Coconut oil for skin and hair health. While coconut oil is often used topically for its skin and hair nourishing properties, did you know that consuming it can also work wonders for your complexion and locks? The moisturizing fatty acids in coconut oil can provide deep hydration when absorbed from the inside out. This can help improve skin barrier function, reduce dryness and flakiness, and even minimize the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. And for your hair, the nourishing compounds in coconut oil may stimulate stronger, healthier growth while soothing an irritated scalp. Many people report shinier, more manageable hair after adding coconut oil to their diet. So not only can you use it as a topical treatment, but incorporating coconut oil into your meals and snacks can give your skin and hair an extra boost of moisture and vitality. It's a win-win for your beauty routine. Benefit 5. Improved brain function. While the research is still emerging, some studies suggest the medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, found in coconut oil may provide benefits for brain function and cognitive health. The theory is that the MCTs in coconut oil can be converted into ketones, which may serve as an alternative energy source for the brain. This could potentially help support brain cell function and even have implications for conditions like Alzheimer's disease. However, the research in this area is still limited, and more studies are needed to fully understand the relationship between coconut oil and brain health. For now, the evidence is promising but inconclusive. Benefit 6. Coconut oil for bone health. Did you know that coconut oil contains compounds that can do wonders for your bones and teeth? It's true. By including coconut oil in your diet, you're giving your body a boost in absorbing essential minerals like calcium and magnesium. These minerals play a crucial role in keeping your bones strong and your teeth healthy. So, not only does coconut oil help your heart, but it also helps keep your skeletal system in top shape. It's just another reason to love this versatile and beneficial oil. Stay tuned for more exciting insights into the amazing benefits of coconut oil. Benefit 7. Coconut oil to boost metabolism and aid weight loss. Some research suggests that the unique medium-chain fatty acids, MCTs, found in coconut oil may help increase your body's calorie-burning potential. By stimulating your metabolism, coconut oil may support your efforts to shed excess weight and body fat. And the benefits don't stop there. The MCTs in coconut oil may also help you feel fuller for longer, potentially reducing your overall calorie intake throughout the day. Of course, more long-term studies are still needed to fully understand coconut oil's effects on weight management. But the early evidence is certainly promising. Just remember that coconut oil is still high in calories. So it's important to enjoy it in moderation as part of an overall healthy, balanced diet. With a little coconut oil in your corner, you may be able to give your metabolism the kickstart it needs to reach your weight goals. Benefit 8. Antioxidant and anti-aging properties. If you're looking to turn back the clock and keep your skin looking youthful, coconut oil could be your secret weapon. Virgin coconut oil is packed with powerful antioxidants that can help neutralize harmful free radicals and reduce oxidative stress, a major contributor to the aging process. By incorporating coconut oil into your diet, you may be able to slow down the visible signs of aging, like fine lines and wrinkles. But the benefits don't stop there. Applying coconut oil topically can also provide anti-aging benefits for your skin. The nourishing fatty acids in coconut oil can help improve skin elasticity and hydration, leaving you with a more radiant, youthful-looking complexion. So whether you're sipping on a coconut oil-infused smoothie or slathering it on your face, this versatile superfood can be your ticket to turning back the clock and embracing a more vibrant, healthy glow. Coconut oil is a liquid as well as a solid. Coconut oil is typically known as a solid at room temperature, but it can transform into a clear liquid state when exposed to higher temperatures. In its liquid form, coconut oil is commonly used in cooking and baking as a versatile and flavorful cooking oil. You can use liquid coconut oil for sautéing, frying, baking, and as a healthier alternative to other cooking oils. Its mild coconut flavor can enhance the taste of dishes, making it a popular choice in various culinary applications. Additionally, liquid coconut oil can be added to smoothies for a boost of healthy fats and a creamy texture. Mixed into salad dressings for a flavorful touch, or drizzled over cooked vegetables, popcorn, or roasted nuts for added flavor and nutritional benefits. Coconut oil in moderation. When it comes to moderation, a general guideline for consuming liquid coconut oil is around 1 to 2 tablespoons per day for most adults. However, individual factors such as age, weight, overall health, and dietary goals should be considered when determining the appropriate daily dose. While coconut oil contains beneficial medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, like lauric acid, which are considered healthy fats in moderation, it is essential to be mindful of the saturated fat content in coconut oil. Excessive intake of saturated fats may not be suitable for everyone, especially individuals with certain health conditions like cardiovascular issues or high cholesterol. Starting with a smaller amount and gradually increasing consumption can help assess how your body responds to coconut oil. Consulting with a healthcare provider or a registered dietitian can provide personalized recommendations tailored to your specific health needs and dietary preferences. Remember, moderation is key when incorporating coconut oil into your diet. And it's important to maintain a balanced intake of various healthy fats for overall nutritional wellness. Coconut oil types available to purchase. Virgin coconut oil. Virgin coconut oil comes from fresh coconut meat. It is made without high heat or chemicals. This keeps its natural flavor and aroma. It is an unrefined oil. You can use it in many different ways. In the culinary world, virgin coconut oil is great for cooking at low heat, baking, and sautéing. It adds a mild coconut flavor to dishes. Outside cooking, it's also a versatile beauty product. It works as a natural moisturizer, makeup remover, hair conditioner, and body lotion. Virgin coconut oil is important for oral health. It is used in oil pulling, an old method that helps keep teeth clean and breath fresh. It makes food taste better, and is good for skin and hair care. It also supports oral health. Adding virgin coconut oil to daily habits is very helpful. Refined coconut oil. Refined coconut oil is made by using heat or chemicals to remove impurities. It has a neutral taste. It also has a higher smoke point than unrefined coconut oil. This makes it stand out. The oil is versatile and useful in many cooking applications. Refined coconut oil is great for cooking at high temperatures like frying, roasting, and baking. This is because it doesn't add a coconut taste to the food. Aside from cooking, it's also popular in beauty products. You'll find it in cosmetics, soaps, and lotions. It moisturizes well without leaving a coconut smell. This refined oil is great for popcorn. It makes a perfect topping or can replace butter in recipes needing a neutral taste. Its adaptability and mild flavor make refined coconut oil useful in cooking and cosmetics. Fractionated coconut oil. Fractionated coconut oil is a liquid at room temperature. It is made by removing long-chain fatty acids. This process creates a lightweight and versatile oil. Fractionated coconut oil is well known for being a great massage oil. It is popular in aromatherapy and massage therapy because it is not greasy and absorbs into the skin easily. It is also a useful carrier oil. This means it can dilute essential oils for safe skin application. Additionally, it helps the skin better absorb these aromatic essences. Fractionated coconut oil is great for hair care. It conditions the hair and scalp. It also helps with detangling and promotes hair growth. The best part is it does this without leaving a greasy residue. This is due to its special properties and various uses. Thank you for joining us on this journey exploring the goodness of using coconut oil for heart health and cooking and many other benefits. Start cooking with coconut oil today and experience the flavorful and heart-healthy benefits it has to offer. Try adding it to your cooking, smoothies, or even as a moisturizer for your skin. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable insights on health and nutrition. Here's to your heart health and vitality.